In case you don't remember, it's written on the wall. You just check, okay? Then I'm gonna give you the papers and you are going to continue, okay? And then I'm gonna pass by the centers and we're gonna talk a little bit about the animals, okay? At the moment, we were studying about animals both in ELA and science. Kids love to learn about animals, and it was no different for year 2A. They got really involved, so it was easy to decide a theme for our presentation. They chose life cycles. The next step was to choose the animals. We picked 4 different animals from 4 different categories. A mammal,
We're going to present a life cycle of a lion.
an amphibian,
Has the life cycle of the frog has the egg, the tadpole, the froglet with legs, and the adult frog.
the adult frog, very good. A reptile,
The life cycle of a turtle is the egg, then the egg hatching, and then the hatchling, and then the juvenile, and the adult, and go
all over again. And an insect.
When first in the life cycle, the butterfly puts the egg there. Then comes a caterpillar. Then this caterpillar, after an year, he to a cocoon and waits some days and turns in a butterfly.
They love the artistic process of creating ways to represent the life cycles, besides the research itself. We've learned many interesting things about the amazing circle of life and how they compare. We hope you enjoy it as much as we did preparing it.
Butterflies life cycles.
A butterfly starts with a very small round egg. The female attaches the egg to leaves, stems, or other objects. Usually, here's the caterpillar food.
Caterpillar. The caterpillar larva is the long-worm stage of the butterfly. At this stage, the caterpillar will eat a lot of leaves. As it grows, it sheds its skin 4 more times because it grows really fast. Pupa. As soon as the caterpillar is done growing, they turn into a pupa. The pupa is the transformation stage which the adult insect structures are formed.
As soon as the butterfly emerges from the pupa, both wings are soft and folded. After resting a little, it will pump blood into wings to get them working. Usually within 3 or 4 hours, the butterfly will learn how to fly and will search for a mate to have babies and start the cycle all over again.
Frog life cycle. The eggs are small, soft, and fragile. Some of the eggs will be eaten by other small animals and birds.
Usually the egg will hatch in about 7 to 9 days. Tadpole. When frog eggs hatch, they come out as tiny little creatures called tadpole. It is really fragile at this point. The tadpole hides away under the floating weed to keep itself safe. By 12 weeks, the tadpole has only a teeny tail and looks like a miniature of the adult frog. The tail will disappear if is now on its way to being almost full grown. Frog each took around 60 weeks to get to this phase. Frogs are amphibians. At this point, the frog has grown wings and is ready to make its way onto the land. Soon it will look for calm water to lay its eggs and bring more frogs to life.
Sea turtle life cycle.
Sea turtle egg. Sea turtle lay their egg in the sand. If the eggs are laid in the warm spot, there will be more brood. If they are laid in the colder spot, there will be more snakes. Hatchling. After hatchling, baby turtles have to face a dangerous journey. They come out of the nest of sand and walk to the sea with any help of the mother. Juvenile. For its first year of life, the sea turtle stays in deep water to find food and protection. The young sea turtle eats only plankton, which is made up of tiny plants and animals. And sea turtles. Sea turtles can live to 100 years, but few survive to be more than 50. Between the eggs of 50 and 20, female sea turtles are ready to mutate and complete the cycle.
Lion life cycle.
Baby lions are covered cubs. Lions are mammals. Just after birth, they are dependent on their mother. A cub will learn how to walk around 10 days old, and the little will be kept away from other lions. After 6 weeks, the cub is introduced to life. The cubs are taking care of all the females in the group. At this stage, baby lions spend most of their time playing. From 6 months to 1 year old, the cub becomes a young lion. Now it's ready to learn how to hunt, but to become independent and grow after food is not easy process. It is a combination of instinct, observation, and practice. Most young lions have a hard time obeying. The females of the pride are the features. It takes from 5 to 6 years for a lion. The cubs and the time has come for the lion to find a mate and having brains continue the circle of life.